It's been almost 72 hours after the deadly earthquake in Nepal, but death toll continues to rise. There have been many aftershocks which have been felt, but the major problem is of food and also water and basic necessities. Padmaja was at the Tundaikale relief camp where survivors are appealing for help.
What is happening now is that now that people have moved out of their houses have been damaged, they're mostly being put up in the relief camps. This one is being run by the Nepal Army. What you see right now is the distribution of water that is taking place. This happens a few times during the day. There's an army vehicle right there, and you see the sheer rush of the number of people who run up to the vehicle because, yes, the materials are in short supply. To distribute it in an equitable fashion is a major challenge, and a lot of people naturally left dissatisfied. It's been 3 days now, and they're running out of patience. A lot of them here from India as well, they want to go back. They think that not enough flights are being operated. The bus routes also not very smooth, and even the buses that are operating are charging an exorbitant price. So while we understand that the resources are very limited and the number of people affected are huge, the anger and impatience is only rising. आप कितने दिनों से यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं और इंडिया वापस जाने का अभी आपका क्या प्लान है? आप बिहार से आए हैं?
बिहार से आया।
बसें चल रही हैं, जब सड़क ठीक हो गई है तो आप बसों में वापस क्यों नहीं जा रहे?
बसें यहाँ पर आई है कहाँ? वहाँ से तो बोल रहा है बसें 40 आया 50 आया, बाकी यहाँ पर आया नहीं। टूरिस्ट में एक ही बस नहीं है। हम लोग तो जाने के लिए तैयार है। ऑर्डर बुक करने के लिए रिजर्व सोच रहे हैं तो 50,000 60,000 कोई लाख रुपया मांग रहा है एक ही बस का। अब
Alright, so they're saying that the bus operators are also trying to fleece them, even the water that is being sold. They're saying that water is being given to them free, but the food is in very short supply, so they're left to fend for themselves. Let me give you a brief idea of how this relief camp is being run. In fact, these are the tents. This was originally in this ground, the Army Parade ground, was the shivir that was being held by Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev. And these tents, the colored ones, were left behind by him and were subsequently occupied by all the affected families. And then you have these olive green tents, which have been given by the Nepal Army. Even there are a lot of complaints about how some people are being given more importance. The people who are not residents of Nepal, they are being given a stepmotherly fashion by the government. Even the newspapers here are talking about how relief material is aplenty, but the government, it seems, is ill prepared to actually distribute that relief material, and which is why the entire operation is leading to a lot of dissatisfaction among the people affected.